Alright, back again. So if we can see our level 2 in action, you will notice that the player, so this accidentally had a bunch of scripts as well along with the which we don't want it, so we'll remove all of them. So just remove them here. So it says that first we need to remove the rigid body and then remove all the scripts here. And now if we play it, select the level 1 and all seems to be fine for this level. Progress should go to 1 when the player dies, when the enemy dies. And now let's see how our level 2 is should act. So this is our level 2, and so if we head back to our level 1, uncheck it, save it, and now if we can play again, it's start to find. One thing we will need to do is reduce the size of enemy, I think. Alright, back again and resuming from our previous tutorial. So what we will do is, in our enemy Vegas, we will simply set the correct references. So for this enemy transform, this enemy attack symbol, this hips transform was set for the croc thingy, and we don't want it, so we'll simply set it to our player new player Vegas hips. So we drag and drop this value to here. And another thing that we will do is simply now we will set this NavMesh agent to this hurricane kick one, and now when we will play, turn this to here. So another thing that you will do is when the game is in the play mode, simply head over to your hurricane kick and then play then progress power position. So if you can press F like this and then set it further, that is near to the object, or if it's far away, simply set it to 0 0 0, and then it will be somewhere here, and then you can simply put it here like this, and once you press play, it will be shown in the correct value, and then you can copy this component and place it here as a progress bar position. And once you will do it, you will see that it will be acting similar to what you wanted. And once the player dies, it will show level 2 dying sequence. So as you can see, our player died, and this is what showed up. Restart level, restart directly from here again, and if you go here and press tab to start, press here, this is how it will be. And another thing you will notice is now we want to change the attacking animation. So what we will do is head back to our enemy Vegas and simply choose the controller here, enemy animations, double click here, and this is the enemy animations one, and we will rename it to enemy Vegas animations one, or whatever you want to do, you can rename it here, and then paste it if you want to, or if you don't want to, it's up to you. And now simply double click it here like this, and instead of the attack Croc attack animation, which is this one, you guys can simply drag and drop this new animation here and set the values here. So this is the value 1 at state. When state equals 1, jump back to this, and here put it like this. Also animation needs to be looped, I think. So if you can go to this thing, and if you can loop somewhere, yep, so inside your model, then animation, and then you can simply press the loop time as on, press apply. Now head back to your controller, and here you can simply copy this Croc attack name and put it here, or oops, I am unable to copy, which is a shame. I have to manually do from Control C, Control V, because mouse input isn't working here. So this is, we'll copy this state equals 1 here, and then make a transition here like this, and copy that if state equals 6 equals 6, and here, as you can see, state equals 0. So state equals, state equals is 1, and then this is missing, that is to death. Make transition to death and put the value to 10. So if we can select this and simply set the state to, and then you can delete it like this, put it here, and now rename it back to this. Now if we can run it, it should be able to play the different animation. So once he's able to find our character, so the issue was with this character, that when it started playing, its transforms were also moving. So what we did was simply check this root transform position to check this like this, and then hit apply, and then simply hit back to enemy Vegas and uncheck this as it should have, as we should have. And now if you can press play, head back to this, and now if we can play, and as you can see, it will wait for the animation, attack animation time to play, and then it will attack again. This is how it, now it will wait for 10 seconds, and once 10 seconds have elapsed, it will play this animation once, and now it starts to play again. And now what we can do is, inside our level 2 Vegas, and if you can head over to this level game object, and if you can simply prefab unpack completely, and here if we can or if you don't want to adjust the prefab here, you can leave it, it's up to your own. And then we will simply make questionnaires. We will copy the questionnaires component. So if we can head back to our level 1, this is our level questionnaires. Make it, put it here like this, and now put it on the top and rename to questionnaires like this. And all we need to do is simply select the parent, put it here like this, and then we will simply duplicate it and put it here like this. So now our game, if we can play, so now even though they showed up, they were their Y position was bit down.